What is up, YouTube? It's been a great week this week. Weekend reviews here. What we're doing today is Pop the Top bottle opener by TaZa Company. They're the ones that donated this to us to check it out. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna do a review on it. We're gonna test it out here on these Sprite bottles. Kid friendly, you know. But they have it for beers as well. If you wanna open up a beer, that's for you. But we're family orientated here, so we just do family fun stuff. So this is how it comes. Let's see what we got here. TaZa Company. I don't know if you can see that or not. There we go. And of course, all the links will be in the description at the bottom. So this is easy action, no wrist twist design will impress your friends and liven the party. To bring more fun products into your home, visit TaZa & Co. All right, so you ready to check this out? What we're gonna do is see if there's any instructions. Basically, there's no instructions in here.
Let me see it.
Nope, no instructions in there. So let me see one of those bottles. This is what we're gonna do. All right, so I'll try the first one. I'll let you try the second one. How about that? Look at that.
What?
First try, no problem. Pop the top. You know what I'm saying? Here, let's you try that one.
No.
Yeah.
What?
I know, right? You're impressed, aren't you? Press down hard. Pull it out. No, it got it. It got it. It just didn't pop it off real quick. Well, I guess not. Okay, let go. You gotta bring it up fast. Let's try another one. Press down and pull it up fast. There you go. What? What do you say? Is it 1, 2 thumbs up, thumbs down? What is it? 2 thumbs up right here from Weekend Reviews. Thank you, TaZa Company. Thank you for watching this Weekend Reviews video this weekend. Keep in mind, every weekend we'll have a new video for you. Every Friday night. Take care.